Hey guys, Richard here and welcome to this video of Module 6. In this video, I will be teaching you guys how to optimize by creating a product campaign for a specific product, right? So I've already taught you guys this in Module 5, so I'm mainly going to teach you guys how to look for those products to create their separate campaigns. So again, we're here in my ad account. I'm going to go to Shopping Campaigns and I want to click on Campaigns here and go to my all products campaign. We're actually not going to be creating a campaign just because I've already taken out all the products from this main campaign that I've wanted to, but I want to show you guys what products I took out and why I took them out. Okay, so once you're in your main campaign here, you're going to click on products. Here you go. Okay, so I'm going to click on conversions here. Okay, so let's see how we start with this one. Okay, so the main reason why you guys would want to get a product and put it into another campaign is to be able to boost it and sell more. So you want to give it more budget and you want it to be able to have its own bid, right? Because right now this whole campaign has one bid for all of these products. So maybe the bid that you have for certain products isn't even the optimal bid, right? So what you want to do is get your products that are performing well or starting to perform well and switch them out to another campaign. So a good example of a product here, let's see, not this one. I don't know why I haven't taken this product out, honestly. This is freaking terrible. So a good example would be this product right here. Oh, and actually I have not set its own campaign, so we'll actually do that here. We're gonna set its you see, so this product, I'm sorry guys, I'm jumping around because I'm actually optimizing my account right now. So this product right here, which hopefully you guys can see this part, this product right here is actually a $20 product, right? So I'm making $20 on each sale. I have not made its own campaign yet. It has an awesome click-through rate. It has an awesome cost per conversion and it's gotten 7 conversions already, right? So we want to get this product. So what you want to do is copy the item ID here. Okay, so I already copied the item ID, which is right here. So we want to get the item ID and make its own campaign. Why? Because look how good it's doing. It has 7 conversions. 7 conversions, only $61 spent, and each conversion costs $8.79. So what are we going to do? We're going to get this product, put it into another campaign by itself, and give it a little boost. Give it more budget, and maybe bid a little bit higher so that it can spend that budget, and then see if it's profitable or not. Okay? So let's find another product here to show you guys. So this product right here, I'm leaving it just to see, but I don't want to put this in another campaign because this is a $16 profit item and it's already at 16.25. So I do not want to move that one. This is already inactive, right? This is it's not too good. This one This one doesn't look bad, but it only has 2 conversions right now, so we're going to leave it in here for a little longer. So anything like two or three conversions or less, I usually don't like to touch. Let me see if there's something else. So this is the one that we're doing. This, no, that's out because it was at $17. That's a $10 item. And this is already, I've already set up a new campaign for this one. So yeah, guys, there's nothing else in here because I've already done this. So we're going to go ahead and do, where is it? This one right here. We're going to go ahead and make a new campaign for this one just because the cost per purchase is so low and this is a $20 item, right? So you guys should know this part. I'm kind of going to go a little faster here. So you go to all your campaigns. You want to set up a new campaign. We're going to do a shopping campaign. Let it load here. Okay, so that's my merchant account, my country of sale. Continue. Campaign name. You guys would not see that. Additional settings. We want to go into the inventory filter. Filter this by item ID. Enter the item ID here. Again, you guys won't see the item ID, but it does match one product. Okay, bidding. So we're going to maximize clicks here. Maximize clicks. We want to get as many clicks as possible. We're not going to limit this at all. And for the daily budget, I told you guys in the last module that we start at 20 through $30. For this one, I'm going to start at 50. And I'm starting at 50 just because it was doing so well. Delivery method, again, this is a glitch. You should not be able to click accelerated. So do not click accelerated because it will not show. Click on standard. Okay, pay close attention to this because if you do leave it on low, it will not show. Remember, our main testing campaign is set on medium. So if we put it on low, this product is not going to show because it's a lower priority than medium. So we want to click high. And again, guys, if you guys chose to have your main campaign on low, then it's okay if you click medium or high. It doesn't really matter. But for us, we have to click high on this campaign. We always leave the search network on United States. We're only doing United States. Save and continue. We keep this one. We put in the same title as we did for our campaign. And again, this is for the ad group. And we click on save. And there you go. You guys just saw me create a live campaign on my live AdWords account. So we just optimized this product here. Let's go back to all campaigns. Let's make sure it's fine. So this is a campaign here, $50 a day, maximizing clicks. Let's click on it to make sure that our product is in there. And it is, it's in here. Has no data yet because it hasn't started, obviously. But hopefully this campaign does well. And I mean, guys, that's about it for this video. I hope you guys learned, when to get a product and switch it out to its own campaign. And in the next video, I'm going to teach you guys how to scale by budget. And I know that you guys must be thinking, oh, budget scaling is easy, right? You raise the budget. But I mean, it is easy, but it's not as simple as you guys think with Google. And I'll explain that in the next video. All right, guys, catch you in the next one. Bye.